Right. So this is a demonstration of our live email automation settings, automatic emails that we send weekly to our email list, right? So you will need an email list first of all, a list of contacts that you already have their emails, right? Their email addresses. You will need ChatGPT, and finally you will need Google App Scripts. So we're going to do a brief demonstration of all of that right about now. So the first thing I'm going to open now, Google App Script will only open inside Google Chrome. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome now. And then I'll open up my Google Sheets in my Google Chrome, right? What I'm trying to do here is open my standard email list. So this will open up my standard emailing list. Okay, this I already collected from an opt-in form. Still using Google Forms. If you want to know how to get your standard emailing list, that's a list of people that will not be offended when you keep sending them regular emails, right? Just put it in the comment section. We'll create another video separately for that, but I'm assuming that you already have your standard email list. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet that has my email list. Now I come up here to extensions. Okay, under extensions I see App Script. I'm sure you can see that App Script. I click on App Script and it opens up this platform that helps me create a code, that helps me create something that generates a code, basically, right, that I'll just use automatically. Now this might seem cumbersome at first, but the more you use it regularly, the more effective you see it becomes, right? So these are some of the codes I've already, this is a list. If you see to the left hand side of my screen, you see these are codes I already did in the past. So I will just duplicate one of it, right, and then use it so that the settings that comes with it will just flow automatically. So I'll just duplicate one of it, make a copy of it, and then customize it and title it sample tutorial script. Sample tutorial script, right? So that's it. Now this is what was there before, so I'll just select it, Control A, and delete it, right? So it is like a fresh, it's telling me, okay, it's ready for a fresh code now, right? So I'll go straight to ChatGPT. Remember I told you we need ChatGPT, right? And create a prompt. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to please create an email, right? Please create a bulk email to Divine Entrepreneurs subscribers, inviting them to watch the Sunday's YouTube video and to also download their bonus gifts, right? And there's already a prompt customized here, right, that we typed in the past, right? So this is it. Please update this app script code. There's an app script code, the series of instructions we gave ChatGPT to be able to create an app script code. Now if you want this, right, just contact us later. Okay, put it in the comment section if you want help creating something like this or engaging us to do it for your company, right? But this is it. Today is actually just a demonstration, right? Not really a training, just to show you what we do behind the scenes, right? Automation demonstration. Okay, so the prompt says, please update this app script code, sending an email to the Divine Entrepreneur subscriber informing them about our weekly YouTube coaching video premiering by 7 p.m. Sunday night, the Divine Entrepreneur Challenge, and the webinar replay. Let the webinar details include topic and replay links on Facebook and YouTube only. Also include a link to download their free bonus. Now, this particular prompt, right, is so customized because it includes all the bonus materials that you should have on ground. For example, you can see a webinar replay, you can see the link to Sunday's video. You can also see the bonus we already created, a PDF bonus created for them to download, a free bonus, right? So these are things that you should have done real time or prior to putting in this thing, because what I'm going to show you now is that it's just going to show you links to them. So you should already have that bonus material in case it's a bonus material you want to give to your multiple subscribers. In case it's a link, all those things should be ready. For example, if you want to post link to a particular YouTube video, right, that YouTube video should already be set. It should already be online, live. You get, so that when we click on it, when your receivers click on it, they are able to go straight to the destination without any impediments. Okay, so now we're going to just do that now, and click send. So this is what it created, right? It brought out this code. Okay, and furthermore, the beauty about ChatGPT is that, okay, so I'm going to click copy here to copy the code. Okay, and now ChatGPT is now instructing me on what to do, right? So before the code, you see what it says here. Here's the updated app script code that sends etc. So what I'm just going to do is copy this into that app script, right? And I just click paste, Ctrl V, right? Paste. Okay, so now I've pasted the code here. This is what it is. Okay, so before I send it, however, I need to confirm that all the links are proper. So see what it says on this right side. It says replace with actual Sunday video link, actual 90 days challenge sign up, etc. So this is where you now put all the actual links, your destination links. Okay, so I'm going to do that very quickly now. I will replace this sample links with the real destination links, right? So I'll go to where I have all of them, right? Okay, so this is where I have my titles. This is where I have the titles and the links that I want to actually post, right? So I put it in a notepad here. It says replace the actual Sunday video link. So I'm going to just put a Sunday video link there, which is this. I'm going to copy it and paste it there. The challenge link. So there's a challenge that we created that ends up on our seller payment page, right? So for people to easily pay when they get the email, right? So this is a link to it here, the challenge link, right? Copy. So try not to copy it with any extra space, it might give it errors, right? So just copy only the items there and paste it inside the inverted commas, right? If you want a more detailed teaching on this, just let us know in the comment section. All right, next is the webinar topic. The webinar topic was the title of the webinar that we actually held that we want to refer to, right? So this is it here. Okay, so the webinar topic was the last webinar, 4 steps from post to paydays, a social strategy that converts. This is an actual webinar we held that we want to send as a reminder. Okay, and then of course the Facebook replay link, right? So this is it. This is the video, the live session on Facebook, right? Just copy paste all of them, and then of course the YouTube replay link as well. And then finally the bonus download link. Remember I told you guys that you should, it's not compulsory, but it's advisable to create bonus links for people to download and enjoy you. Okay, so this is the link. We created a free bonus material, uploaded it to Google Drive, and then this is the link to the document right here. So we just copy, and the title of the document is post to paydays calendar. Okay, so that's it. And then the sheet name, right? So the sheet name should be correct. I'm just going to go to one of the previous ones and take the correct sheet name. The sheet name means the Google sheet. This sheet has a name, right? This name, form responses 1, so it has to be correct. That is the Excel sheet that it would use to spool its details, right? So now that I have all of these sets, I would like to test run it, right? So the first thing to do is save it first, right? Once I save it, then I can now click run. Now one sweet thing is that the first 2 emails on the list are my personal emails. Okay, first 2, in fact the first 3 emails. So I can click run and quickly stop just to see what the email is like in my own inbox before I now allow it to run again and spread to every other contact on my Gmail, on my email list. Okay, so let's click run, and then I quickly stop, right? So it has sent it to my own email. Okay, so I should receive it within seconds now. So let's look at what came out of that. How did it reflect in my inbox? Okay, so we see it here. First of all, remember we gave it the instruction to customize it, etc. For the detailed prompts, just check this out. Now see how the email, this is what everybody's going to receive on their inbox, right? So we see all the links here. So let's try out each of these links and see if they are correct now. So this is don't miss this week's YouTube coaching video filled with divine strategies to transform your business journey, right? Sunday 7 p.m. WAT. So I click it. When I click it, it actually goes, because I know that every temptation to sin is straight to that video on YouTube. Okay, it goes straight to that video on YouTube. right? The next link is 4 steps from post to paid is a social strategy that converts. A replay on Facebook. Let's check it out. So this is it right here, the webinar replay. Okay, so this was that webinar. This is the replay on Facebook, right? And then of course the replay, same video replay on YouTube. So we see that webinar.
Amen.
Being
50 years old or so.
all right, and then all right, and this is a very, very, very important and sweet part as well. Check out this one, the join the challenge now. So this link goes straight to the place where people get to pay for the challenge, right? So if you have a product on your seller store, for example, and you also want to pay for it, okay, so this is it. This is our seller store where people get to pay for the 90-day challenge. So you see, someone can just click buy straight up from the link you sent in this your email list using the app script. Download your bonus now. This is my favorite part. So this is it. They get a link to the bonus you already created as a PDF and then a link to it, right? And then they get the option to download it and save it. Okay, so imagine having to just do this within 5 minutes, right? And you are able to send such to your email list. So by the time I press run, right, it sends to everybody on my email list. Everybody receives the email successfully. Thank you for listening to this demonstration. If you want like a real practical application for yourself, please don't fail to contact us, okay?